Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to How to Channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to erase your Google Incognito history from your mobile phone. Because let's be honest, some of those late-night searches are better left unseen. Whether you've been researching things that would make your grandma blush, or
And there's evidence of it.
Hello there. Hello, darling.
No legal dr-
just want to keep your browsing habits under wraps, this one's for you. Let's dive into the dark side. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Alright, first things first. Open up Google Chrome on your phone. You know that app you pretend to use for work, but really use to explore your, personal interests? Step 2. The secret door. Next, tap on the search bar and type in this magic phrase, Chrome/net internal. It's like the back door to Chrome's naughty little secret. Kind of like when you find your partner's stash of special movies hidden away. Hit enter, and boom, you're in the forbidden zone of Chrome. Step 3. Enter the DNS dungeon. On the left side, you'll see an option called DNS. Go ahead and tap that. Once inside, you'll find Clear Host Cache. This is where you get to wipe away the evidence of those educational videos you were watching, strictly for research purposes. Step 4. The final sweep. After you've cleared the cache, close the tab and restart Chrome. It's like hitting the reset button after a night of questionable decision. When Chrome comes back up, all that incognito history is gone. Banished like that time you swore you'd never look up weird kinks again. Here we are. And that's it. Your incognito history is as clean as your browser thinks you are. Now, you're free to explore those dark corners of the web without any lingering fears of someone stumbling upon your unique If this video helped save your hide or just made you laugh, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more tips, tricks, and a little bit of inappropriate humor to keep your tech life smooth and your secrets safe. See you in the next one.
Goodbye to the people who hated on me. Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye to everybody.